Standard 6, we are presenting related word. The word is tree. Shadow,
leaf,
fruit, stone,
birds,
nest,
oxygen, carbon dioxide,
fruit, green, ground, branch, and bird, snake,
wood,
honey,
forest, soil, flower.
We are in Standard 6. We are presenting related word. The word is school. Bag, teacher, principal, chair,
Table,
blackboard,
window,
dustbin, student, chalk, chart, doormat, drawing, laptop, computer,
calendar,
project,
office, classroom, clock.
We are in Standard 6. We are presenting related words. The words is aeroplane, luggage, door, air, crash, hijack, TV, fly,
Sky,
passport,
phone, checking,
visa,
seat belt,
air hostess, security, landing, airport,
seat,
announcement,
ticket,
pilot,